So hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Marcy J, and today we're back with another makeup tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this flawless natural glam everyday makeup look. So if you guys want to see more, then continue watching. So hey guys, as per usual, I'm starting with my brows. I'm using a Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in the color Clear to mold my brows into place. So now I'm going in with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion just to moisturize and prep my skin. So to outline my brows today, I'm going in with none other than the Music Flowers Stereoscopic Eyebrow Pencil. This is my go-to eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to let you guys watch as I do my brows. So if you joined me in my last tutorial, then you'll know that my two favorite go-to concealers are Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sands and L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Honey. Typically when I do my brows, as a reminder, I like to highlight the arch with the lightest shade of concealer and start my brows with the shade that's closest to my skin tone, as well as conceal and clean up the top of my brows with that same shade that I use to clean up the front portion of my brows. So now I'm just going in with a buffing brush to buff and press that product into my skin. I always like to press the product into my skin rather than use swiping motions because that allows the product to have a more full coverage effect. So now that my eyebrows are complete, I'm going in with Airspun translucent powder on my eyelids in preparation for eyeshadow. So now for eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place the Nudes palette using that 6 brown shade. As always, my method is to always press the product into the face. So now I'm going in with Maybelline Great Lash Mascara to coat my natural eyelashes. And now I'm going in with Major Calamine Lotion to prime my skin. So now for foundations, I'm going in with Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the color Espresso and Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation in the shade Coconut. I'm so mad that Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation is no longer available for purchase. They discontinued the product. So now I'm going in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Luminous Dewy Glow Spray just to revitalize the foundation before I press that product into my skin, honey. Once again, the key to a full coverage glam is to make sure that you press the product into your skin. So now it's time to highlight, and I'm going in with the two concealers that I used previously, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as well as the L'Oreal Infallible Wear Concealer. So my reason for going in with 2 concealer shades when I highlight is so that my face can have multiple dimensions and it can transition into the next color a lot more seamlessly. And also to mimic the natural hues that I have on my face. So now it's time to contour, and I'm going in with Black Opal True Color Stick Foundation in the shade Walnut. So now it's time to infuse the contour and the highlight together. Once again, make sure to press that product into your skin. I typically like to start with the darker shade first and then go in to the highlight portion. Because the longer you leave your concealer on, it'll have more of a full coverage outcome, and that's what I like. I love full coverage makeup, so therefore that's what we're doing, letting that concealer sit. So now I'm going in with the damp beauty blender to blend out my highlight, and the reason why my beauty blender is damp is so that my concealer can be blended in seamlessly. But also keep in mind that if you don't have a beauty blender on hand, you can definitely always use a brush. A brush is completely fine as long as you know what you're doing. But I just feel like a beauty blender allows for you to blend a lot more effortlessly. Whereas a brush, you really have to know what you're doing. So I just wanted to say, to contour your nose, you want to go in with an angled eyeshadow brush and you want to outline the bridge of your nose. And that's how you get the illusion of a snatched nose. So now to set my contour, I'm going in with the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using that second shade. And I'm applying it to all the areas that I originally applied my contour. So now it's time to set that highlight, and now I'm going in with my ultimate favorite setting powder, which is the Sacha Buttercup. Ladies, if you do not have this in your makeup kit, then I definitely advise that you go out and get it because it is heaven sent. So I'm gonna let this Sacha Buttercup sit on my face and do what it do. Tonight I'm actually getting ready to go to the 1-year anniversary link up for the spot that I work at, Bell Beauty Bar. So I'm super excited. We about to toast. We about to take shots. It's about to be a litty night, so I can't wait. So now I'm going back in with my foundation brush and I'm dusting off and setting that product into my face. So now to bring everything together, I'm going in with the Black Radiance Pressed Powder and Rich Mahogany. And I'm just using that to set my whole face. This is the key step to avoiding flashback and having your makeup look flawless. So now it's blush time and I'm going in with the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Palette, Volume 1. And now to bring everything together, I'm going in with Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face to the gods. So pardon me guys, I did not know where my fan was. So I really thought using my hands was going to do something. So now I'm going back into that blush palette to grab some highlight to brighten up this face. So after I apply my highlight, one of my tricks is going back in with the Beauty Blender so that the highlight won't appear as harsh. And now it's time for some lashes, one of my favorite steps. So another trick that I have up my sleeve is actually applying the lash glue to your lash line. And the reason I do this is because your body is heat activated. So by you applying the glue directly to your lid, it allows for the glue to dry a lot more faster since your body produces its own heat. And another hidden gem of mine is that when you're applying your lashes, you always want to look down into a mirror. You never want to look directly into the mirror because it won't be a neat application. You always want to ensure that you look down so that you can place the lash over your natural lash line. So now for my final step, the lips, which I absolutely love. I personally don't feel like you can have a complete lip without lip liner. Lip liner is that staple. So guys, this is a sample from my cosmetic line, VanityFace Cosmetics. Make sure you head over to my website to shop. All the lippies that I'll be using today is actually from my brand, VanityFace Cosmetics. The lip liners aren't out yet, but I do have 6 amazing glosses on my site. So make sure to go shop today. So this is actually one of my glosses. This is in the shade Nude Pinky. Look at how beautiful that looks. Y'all, my glosses are thebomb.com and they smell so good. So guys, this officially completes today's makeup look. This is my flawless everyday natural glam look. If you guys liked what you've seen in today's video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, let me know what kind of videos you would like to see down below. And also let me know how you feel about this beautiful makeup look. Also, don't forget to head over to my cosmetic website at www.vanityfacecosmetics.com to get this amazing lip combo. Your lips will thank you, and I can't wait to see you guys in next week's video. Ciao!